Hello everyone, I'm Taylor Golz, and today I'm going to chat with you about the home building process. We will cover budgeting and affordability, how to secure financing, designing blueprints, hiring a general contractor, the building process, and post-construction steps. Let's get started by talking about budgeting. What is the maximum monthly housing payment you're comfortable making? When calculating this payment, you must also include an estimated monthly property tax payment and homeowner's insurance payment. In the banking industry, we refer to this as your PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. A good rule of thumb is that your PITI should not exceed 28% of your gross monthly income. To help you calculate this ratio, you can access a mortgage calculator online. Based on that calculation, you can then determine an estimated loan amount that fits your desired monthly payment. Let's not forget to think about our down payment. Most financial institutions won't finance 100% construction costs. Typically, it is expected that the borrower has a minimum of 10 to 20% to apply as the down payment. Keep in mind your estimated loan amount when you're calculating your down payment. Next, let's chat about credit scores. When applying for a construction loan, your credit needs to be strong. A good credit score is established by keeping your revolving debt low, all payments need to be made as agreed, and a mix of different types of trade lines need to be on your credit. Things that impact your credit score negatively include, but not limited to, collections, tax liens, foreclosure, past due payments, and large amounts of debt in relation to your income. A good credit score for a construction loan should be above a 700. We've now penciled out the monthly payment, estimated loan amount, down payment, and what is an acceptable credit score. The budgeting portion of the home building process is completed. It's time to start the financing process. First step is to determine a financial institution and/or loan officer you want to work with. Once you've reached out to a loan officer, they will help you get started with the pre-approval process. To complete a pre-approval, you will need to provide a general list of financials, including tax returns, W-2s, pay stubs, asset statements, a valid photo ID, and your loan officer will review your financials and determine a loan program that fits your needs. We now have a budget and a pre-approval in hand. Let's think about location. Where do you want to build your home? Do you already own land, or do you need to purchase land? If you own land already, any equity you have will be acknowledged as part of your down payment. If you are still shopping for land, you have options. If you need help finding the perfect home site, you can reach out to a realtor. The purchase of your land can be financed into your construction loan, or you can obtain a separate loan for the land purchase if you aren't ready to build quite yet. These are great things to discuss with your loan officer. Now the fun begins. It's time to design your dream home. You can use multiple different resources to get design ideas. My personal favorite is Pinterest, but you can also use Google, home shows, and others. You'll need a formal set of blueprints drawn and ready to provide to a general contractor. That brings us to the next phase of the process. It's time to start researching general contractors. In my opinion, this is one of the most important steps in the process. Hiring a general contractor that is reputable and knowledgeable will help you tackle any issues that arise during the building process. They will also work to keep the project within budget. A good general contractor will go through the home building process. They will provide you a cost of construction based on your blueprints, and typically a general contractor will have a set of subcontractors they work with. They will manage the work completed by the subcontractors, and they will also be responsible for paying them with the construction loan funds. Blueprints are designed, general contractor is hired, and the cost of construction has been estimated. Your loan officer is going to need this information to move forward with the next steps in the financing process. Next steps include ordering the appraisal work, working through outstanding conditions, and ordering title work. The appraisal is a big and important step in the financing process. The appraiser will use your blueprints, cost of construction, and value home site to give an estimated appraised value. This step takes around 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Once all outstanding loan items are done, we can schedule a loan closing. It's time to break ground and start the construction process. You can expect your home build to take around 6 to 9 months. With a large custom home build, the construction might take 12 to 14 months. Your general contractor will work directly with your lender to manage the funds through this process. Your home build is nearly finished and occupancy has been received. It's time to move in. Now it's time for my favorite part, decorating. You can build in construction funds to purchase furniture or new decor. Some people even like to hire interior decorators to get that extra special look. Now that you've settled into your house, your general contractor's drawn all the funds from your construction loan that you wanted, you will need to chat with your loan officer about fixing your loan into a long-term product. You can choose usually from a 10-year fixed, a 15-year fixed, a 20-year, or a 30-year fixed loan. Depending on the products your home lender has available, the construction loan may need to be refinanced into that long-term rate we discussed. This would require for you to provide updated financials, and a revised appraisal wouldn't be necessary. You'll likely also incur closing costs again, but they'll be a bit cheaper than the construction loan closing cost. Well, that's a wrap. Your dream home is built, and now is your reality. The building a home is a multiple-step process that can feel overwhelming, but with a great general contractor and a good mortgage loan officer, it's an achievable dream. Thanks for listening to my presentation.